Oh, there it is. It just popped up. Oh, there it is. Let him eat it. You got it? Got it. You got it. All right. Oh, so the canal side looks really, tons of algae. Let's see what we can catch down here. But hopefully we'll get through this and then we can go grab some lunch by the canal. You hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try to paddle through this, and then I think there's still some good water after the place we get lunch, but we'll hit this along the way. See how we do. All right, we just started canal side out in Phoenixville. Just came down the Schuylkill River. Not many fish, but we caught some big ones. And then we just walked through that portage. Had to drag my kayak. Mason had the dolly, so that was a big help. But that was a good 100-yard drag, and now we're on the canal side. See if we could catch anything. Yeah. It's nice. Never know what you're going to catch over here.
This might have been the bag. Sure, only caught one fish.
Yeah, these things are.
Can't stop biting it.
Yeah, because you got the bee vibe.
Yeah.
What's that over there? A turtle or a snake? Bring it here.
I thought it was a big bass, but it's a bluegill. I think something else swiped at it. And that's why I thought I had it. Because I saw something else that was long. Dude, it felt like a freaking 10-pounder.
Swallowed it.
Yeah. Give me my money. Just give me my money. Give me my money. Did I touch anything?
I don't like this.
I don't like what?
I think I have too thick of a line. I need thinner.
Tie it on the smaller one. Yeah, that is the reason. It's too light. Using very light tackle on a very heavy rod.
On the micro swim bait. There you go. Your battery died.
What?
Oh, no, it's good.
I might just reach it.
Just watch those trees.
that big. Like,
Nice, dude. Largemouth bass. You can call them over. Even though there's smaller fish per se over here, there's a lot of action. You put it back?
yeah.
The shade feels good.
So many fish. But they're all,
You could see them?
yeah. Ooh. These are giant bluegill.
Good job, dude.
He came from a bed, I think.
You could see them? I can't see them.
Oh no, he swallowed my jib.
Okay, we made it halfway down the canal. Now it's time to stop for lunch at the Fritz Border Station. A place we usually stop to grab a bite looking over the Schuylkill Canal. As we were eating lunch, we noticed some carp and catfish swimming around right below the deck. Let's see what we can catch. We had some leftover chicken nuggets, so we'll use that as bait. You see them still?
I saw them. They just went away. Oh, you're right back there. I saw them. You're right there. See him?
Oh, look at it. I don't see him.
He's just swimming around like that.
Oh, did he eat it?
No, no, no. Oh, he's going.
All right, I'll take it. Let him eat it. Reel it in a little bit. Oh, what the hell? Oh, there it is. It just popped up. Oh, there it is. Let him eat it. You got it? Got it. You got it. All right.
Grabbing shrimp.
I'm grabbing mine. Do not grab the line. Oh, you never do it.
Oh my gosh. Bring it down here on the other.
Let's see that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's
Come over here.
There's multiple other ones, so if you want to catch one.
Yeah, let me catch one.
Oh my god. Is that a blue?
Blue. Flathead.
Hold it, but
It's a
how?
flathead.
How will I hold it? I want to hold it.
Here, let some line out.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah.
Here, take a picture.
Here, pick him up.
No.
Under his gills.
No, I won't. Let me take a picture. Like, without me holding it.
All right, stand right here. Stand right here. Good job, dude. Let him go. dude.